We're here at Burlington Coat Factory looking for Halloween stuff. I've never thought of Burlington Coat Factory like that. I haven't been here in like 20 years, but an internet friend mentioned that they could carry Halloween stuff, Disney Halloween stuff. I mean, it'll be homewares, but that's fine. I could always use some Disney towels. Alright, so they have a Halloween display right here. Nothing Disney, but some cool stuff. Clothing. Like I mentioned earlier, I haven't been here forever. Wait a minute, I got distracted. Is this a Loungefly? Do they carry Loungefly purses here? No. Dana, not heard of that. Interesting. That is Disney though, but not heard of it. There's a soft blanket, Minnie and Mickey.
That you can have a whole bathroom.
What is? Oh. Do you want me to turn your bathroom?
No.
Kind of might clash with the seashells.
I like the seashells. Seashells are very nice.
You guys don't know how. All right, I love these drain dish mats. That is Star
Good way of
Wars.
portioning your food out.
This is for kids, honey.
And that's what I'm saying.
Oh, I thought you were talking about for me. Are you saying I need portion control?
Yes. Yes,
That's
I
what you were saying.
ever seen yourself eat?
It's always about me. Story of my life. Stitch? Yeah, we'll get one of each. Why not? Alright, so I'm just noticing that they've made the store smaller by adding these partitions. Is this normal for everyone? If you've been to Burlington Coat Factory, is this normal? Or are they just doing something because they don't have any stock? It's very peculiar. I'm just curious. I wish I needed coffee mugs. Look at the Skellington one. Or not Skellington, but Skeletons. I have Nightmare Before Christmas on my mind. Pretty cool though. I wish I needed that. How much is that? I gotta put my reading glasses on. $9.99. Alright, so you just have to look throughout the store. It's intermingled everywhere. This Snoopy one is adorable. These are shower curtains. This is a what is that, Ouija board shower curtain? That's pretty cool. I mean, and I think Burlington's supposed to have a slight discount, so $14.99. I actually think that's a really good deal, so yeah. Alright, we're in another row. Here's just a random trick-or-treat towel with a little wiener dog dressed like a skeleton. That's cute. So definitely gotta go through every aisle trying to find this Halloween stuff. I wish I liked Star Wars a little more because that cutting board is adorable, but not a huge fan. Alright, then we have one blanket pillows. That's adorable. Snoopy pillow for $10.99. And then these are two pillows that are put together. This family is a little batty. Oh man, it's tempting. Kind of really like this one. Alright, so they have this random spice section. I have been looking for Mexican oregano everywhere. They don't carry it at the normal grocery store. Robert's just worried that it's old. There's no expiration date. I'm gonna give it a try because it's $2.99. But I use a lot of oregano in recipes, and Mexican is slightly different than the regular. So yeah, I wish I had an expiration date on it because you just don't know how old this stuff is. But I'm gonna try it. $2.99. I'll take the risk. Oh my god. Anyone watch my Six Flags video? Look at this one. It's only $4. Alright, we're in the doormat section. And I see a couple up here. Is it Snoopy? It is Snoopy. Why do they have them up here where you can't even see them? Oh, I gotta sort through these. Alright, so they have these anti-fatigue mats. They have a gnome one And they have a Martha Stewart candy one. And then they have a Mickey Thanksgiving. I'll be honest, I got one last year, Nightmare Before Christmas. I have it in front of my sink where I stand at a lot, and I don't notice any difference. So I don't necessarily believe that it really helps anything. But they do clean up really easily. You just wipe them down. Don't have to throw them in the wash. You just wipe it down when it's get dirty. Here's the classic accent rug, and this is only $6.99. It is a really good deal. I think I'm gonna get one of these. Which one? Scared Snoopy, or I'm gonna get this one. I like that one. God damn it. Alright, just really random stuff everywhere. I don't need any coasters, but that's interesting. So I'm not seeing as much Disney stuff as I saw on a TikTok video that someone sent me, that Tammy sent me. Thanks again, Tammy. But I don't know. So I guess all the stores are hit and miss. The only thing, well, that says Hocus Pocus, but I don't think that's Disney. These are the only things I've been able to find that were on that TikTok video. But I'm gonna, ooh, there's something down here. Is this, okay, here we go. Here's some more Disney stuff. Shower curtains. Why are there always shower curtains? I'm not changing out my shower curtains for 1 month. My bathrooms are all like, beach themed. I think it would just be too different to change it out. That is a nice shower liner though. So these are actual plastic liners, and then these are fabric ones. Is it a thing this year? I don't understand all the shower curtains. So this is a shower curtain and a bath mat. Alright, this is the display as we came in. So they got blankets. I don't see any Disney ones in this. They do have Halloween though. Gnomes. Why has it got to be gnomes? So tired of gnomes. Cannot wait till that trend is over with. Oh, that's adorable. I might have to get that for my cats. Yeah, my cats need that. They need their own Halloween blanket. Yeah, socks and slippers and the checkout walk. I don't really need anything like that, but oh man. I have MTV ones. Oh, MTV. Oh, this is Mickey. Okay, now that's cute. I don't need any slippers. Maybe I do. Maybe I need these Stitch slippers. Alright, that was Burlington Coat Factory. So they did have Halloween stuff. It just was all intermingled. I'm just used to stores where all the Halloween is in one section. I had not been to Burlington, I mentioned in the beginning, for like 20 years. I remember when I was a kid, my dad would take me, and I got this awesome black leather jacket that I still have. There's like rows and rows of awesome coats. It's not like that anymore. I didn't even see any coats.
I didn't see any leather jackets.
No, it was like a TJ Maxx or a Marshalls. I have to look. Are they owned by the same company now?
I don't know.
Because the price tags were like TJ Maxx, Marshalls. I'm not complaining. It's just we already have TJ Maxx and Marshalls. We don't need another one. So it wasn't how I remember Burlington Coat Factory. So yeah, it's just like Marshalls and TJ Maxx, where it's hit and miss on what you're gonna find. It just was too sparse, like, and just everywhere. I don't know.
There was a little bit of everything everywhere.
It's not going to be. I'm glad I went, and thanks for Tammy for giving me that tip. But it's not going to be one of those stores that I go to regularly.
We need to check another one in St. Louis.
Yeah,
we'll check another one.
I wanted to look at leather coats. There was no leather coats.
They used to always have leather coats.
Yeah, I have that black leather one that I'll have to.
I got a black leather jacket from there too.
Anyway, so maybe I'm just hungry. I haven't had lunch yet. Just wasn't quite what I was expecting. But I spent $80 on a bunch of Disney Halloween, so